Aisha! My tamamu! Aisha Tum! Aisha, did you block me?
ODOGWU, you called me?
Why are you not picking my call now, my tamamu? Did you even block me? I was trying your number, it's not going. Did you block me on WhatsApp?
Who got number that you call me? Why you call me with somebody's number, Kuma?
I've been trying you my number now. It is not going. You block me. Why now? What did I do to you now? Baby girl. My Aisha princess.
What do you want from me? Don't What do you want from me, man? You manage your marriage. You want to wait. You want to accept me for money as well? Then you want to accept you make
money for what? Money for what?
You told me to Zakah. You told me to God. Money to buy your wife something. You thought I did not see your postage. Do what saw it? Everybody should show me. They show me.
My tamamu. So you follow believe say I got married, my tama. Is that why you blocked me? That's why you've not been picking my call since. My tamamu.
I don't even have your time. I don't want to have anything to ever do that with you. I talking to you are laughing.
Somebody is jealous. I did not get married now. Aisha. Please go and unblock me. Go and unblock me now. I did not get married. It's comedy. It's a skit. It's comedy series. I did comedy. Igbo Man Wedding Day comedy series for YouTube and for Facebook now. It's comedy now. Hi.
Comedy. You does them comedy. You are not a businessman that you sell something. Now. Hi. You wait. Let me generation. Let me understand that you are the ODOGWU. You are a businessman. Comedy. When you start comedy.
I don't know if we're killing more now. You cannot be doing one business in Nigeria. That is why you will see a doctor that will have hospital. The doctor will also have a mortuary. So in case they treat you, you know well, if you die, they go secretly and go in mortuary so that you go benefit from your money. You cannot do one business in Nigeria now. I do comedy as a part-time, or no? I don't make comedy now, part-time business, so that I will support my business now. I'm a comedian now.
I've not started to laugh with you. So what me and you we do to me? We do comedy, Kuma.
No, God forbid though. What me and you is doing, that one is lame. I love him to leak. I love you with all my heart. That one is not too comedy now. It's okay. Jealousy. It's comedy. Go to my Facebook page, you will see it. It's comedy. I did not. How will I marry another person when I have the most beautiful Aisha princess in the whole world? Am I mad?
I think among us, yeah. When I saw that post, go to me, my heart should jump. But I was not jealous.
It's a lie. Yeah. You're jealous. I told you people that Igbo men are hot cakes. Igbo men, especially Anambra men. See the way you are jealous because I'm married. Igbo men are hot cake. Admit it. Admit that we are hot cake. I the oko.
I hear you. Mima, I am hot kosai. You know kosai ko? Akara. I am hot akara. People should rush me. I told plenty people. So if you do, ODOGWU, you promise me Gaskia that you will never ever do this kind of comedy on real life. You will never break my heart. You will never make me to be more jealous.
I am hot cake. You are hot tuwo chinkafa. You are hot tuwo chinkafa. I promise you, Aisha, I will not break your heart. I will not do it in real life. You are my everything now. Am I mad?
Okay. When I saw that post, I talked to. When Mama, is she real or is she not real? Because your wife, she wear one kind of hair like
Not be my wife, because not be my wife. I say it's comedy. I say you are still calling her my wife.
Okay, sorry. Your woman in the comedy, she wears something on her head. She does like small ordinary person. I say,
shut up. It's comedy. She's fine like that. Leave her like that. She's comedy.
You tell me to shut up.
No. Please, Aisha, help me and beg your family or your people and your fans so that they will know that it's comedy. Tell them that it's comedy, because let them not to start having issues with him. Tell them it is comedy or because.
Okay, I will tell everybody. I will inform everybody.
And
that,
then please, everybody that told me congratulations, please, I know you do not waste it. Please, in my Leo wedding, please tell me. Don't say you have told me before. Because remember to tell me again. Don't say you have wasted. Please, it's comedy. Because boy alone.
Please, now that I will go and unblock you on WhatsApp, Facebook, I will
go and unblock me. Go and unblock me. Go and unblock me.
Bye bye. I am fasting. I don't have strength for talk too much. We'll talk later when I shower. When I drink water, we'll talk.
Oh, you are fasting. Oh, what? Happy Ramadan. Ramadan. Happy Ramadan. I'm going to call it jealousy. Hi, Aisha. Oh, I was a princess. I'm going to call it. Bye.
MC, I'm not afraid.